Hello and welcome to Module 4. In this lesson, we're going to talk about one of the most common and most fixable causes of fatigue and brain fog, and that is blood sugar instability. Your brain is one of the most energy-demanding organs in your body. It needs a steady supply of fuel throughout the day to function well. When your blood sugar is stable, you tend to feel clear-headed, focused, and steady. But when blood sugar swings up and down, it can create symptoms like energy crashes, brain fog, irritability, feeling shaky or hangry, strong cravings for sugar or caffeine, and difficulty concentrating. Many women are unknowingly stuck on a blood sugar roller coaster throughout the day. For example, a very common pattern looks like this. You wake up, maybe you're busy. Maybe you're not hungry yet, so you just grab a coffee. Sometimes coffee is the only thing you have for the first several hours of the day. By mid-morning, your energy starts to drop. Maybe you feel a little shaky. Maybe you reach for something sweet or just grab another cup of coffee. You push through till lunch, have a salad. But by mid-afternoon, you're crashing again. Then later in the evening, you may feel wired, snacky, or overly hungry. This pattern happens because when you don't give your body consistent fuel, your blood sugar drops. When blood sugar drops too low, your body releases stress hormones like cortisol and adrenaline to bring it back up. Those hormones can temporarily boost energy, but they also make your body feel stressed and eventually lead to another crash. Over time, this cycle can leave you feeling completely exhausted. This becomes even more important during perimenopause because hormonal shifts can make the body more sensitive to blood sugar swings. Estrogen plays a role in insulin sensitivity, which helps your cells respond properly to glucose. As hormone levels fluctuate, blood sugar regulation can become a little less stable, which means your body benefits even more from consistent fueling and balanced meals. Another common contributor here is caffeine on an empty stomach. Don't get me wrong, coffee itself is not the enemy. Many people enjoy coffee and tolerate it just fine. But when caffeine is consumed without food, it can stimulate cortisol and adrenaline, especially first thing in the morning. That may temporarily wake you up, but it also increases the chances of a blood sugar crash later. One of the easiest ways to support your energy is to make sure your meals include a balance of protein, fiber, and healthy fats. Protein is especially important. Protein helps stabilize blood sugar, supports muscle mass, and provides the building blocks your body needs for many metabolic processes. Many women are unintentionally eating very little protein, especially earlier in the day. As a general guideline, many women benefit from aiming for roughly 20 to 30 grams of protein per meal. This doesn't have to be complicated. For example, eggs with avocado and vegetable, Greek yogurt with berries and nuts, chicken or tofu with vegetables and quinoa, a smoothie with protein powder, fruit, and healthy fats. The goal is simply to avoid meals that are mostly carbohydrates by themselves, which tend to spike blood sugar quickly and then cause a crash. A helpful way to think about building meals is this simple formula: protein plus fiber plus healthy fat. Protein stabilizes blood sugar. Fiber slows digestion and supports gut health. Healthy fats help keep you full and prevent rapid blood sugar spikes. You don't have to overhaul your entire diet overnight. Small upgrades can make a big difference. For example, if you normally drink coffee alone in the morning, try adding a protein source like eggs or protein smoothie. If lunch tends to be mostly carbohydrates or a salad with very little protein, try doubling that, adding a protein source and more vegetables. If you often reach for sugary snacks in the afternoon, try pairing fruit with nuts or yogurt to keep your energy more stable. These kinds of changes help your body move away from that spike and crash cycle and towards steady, sustainable energy. Many women notice improvements in energy and brain fog within days to weeks once blood sugar becomes more stable. In the homework for this module, I want you to simply start observing your own patterns. Notice when your energy crashes. Notice when you feel the urge for caffeine or sugar. Begin experimenting with one small change that supports more consistent fueling. Remember, this is not about perfection. It's about learning how to support your body in a way that allows your energy to recover. In the next module, we'll talk about another major energy drain, chronic stress and nervous system overload, and how to help your body shift out of that constant go mode. I'll see you in the next module.